Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome to Funnel Studio. So in this video, I want to talk about two unique features inside of System.io, and that is order bumps and upsells. These two unique features inside of System.io allows you to sell more of your product and increase your average order value. They're just a way to get more money from an individual order. Say you sell something for $20, but how about you getting more than $20? Maybe you can order bump someone into buying an additional $30 product, or you can upsell them into an higher ticket product that you can charge anywhere from $97 to $497 for. So these are the two things that you can add when you're building out your funnel. So what exactly are they? One, an upsell is different from an order bump. An order bump is what you find on your order page, and it looks something like this. So imagine you setting up your funnel and you're trying to have people enter their name, their email, the country, their phone, whatever information you're trying to get. But before they enter their credit card details, there's this box on the screen that points to a checkbox. So when people click on that checkbox, it adds an extra order of something. It could be another detailed product, it could be an additional product, it could be a complementary product to what they already bought, and then it allows them to pay for those two things using just one single order form. Now, this is what it looks like. For example, I have this product that I set up, and here on this order page, it says System in a Box. Now, this is something that you can get access to yourself. It is a done for you PLR product that you can sell to your own audience. The landing pages and every material you need to promote it is already done for you, and you can get access to it. It's going to be the first link in the description. But this is what it looks like on the back end. Say, for example, I want to sell this System in a Box, right? It's only $9. And if you click on this order bump, it adds a 1-month personal support and guidance with setting up System in a Box with tech support, answering questions, and accountability with myself so people can track results faster. Now, I'm adding this as an order bump to System in a Box, and this is for only $27. Now, if people click on this box right here, it adds $27 to the existing $9 order, and everything comes out to $36. Now, once they click on Get Access Now, they are able to pay for these two things. Now, they can check out PayPal or they can check out using their credit card. They're able to now pay for both things all at once. Now, you're automatically increasing your order by $27. So what you would have otherwise been paid $9 for, you're getting paid $36 because people are able to now click on an additional offer. Now, the numbers behind this, it's all a numbers game, right? Because not everyone is going to click on your order bump. And the reason is because it's just the nature of human beings. But you know for a fact that a percentage of people who come on this page will click on that order bump, and it's usually anywhere from 4 to 10%. Now, if you're selling this to 100 people, that would be $900. But imagine that out of that 100, about 10 people are able to pick up this $27 offer. That's an extra $270 that you didn't have to work for. And by just being there on the other page, people are picking it up. Now, the second thing I want to talk about is the upsell. Now, in the funnel itself, there is a sales page, there's the order form, there's the upsell, and there's a thank you page. Now, the order form is where people go to. For example, if I view this sales page right here, this is what it looks like on the landing page. Now, if people click on buy now, it's going to take them to the order form, right? This is what I talked about. People can buy this for $9 and they can add $27 order bump to their order. So the upsell comes on when people have either bought this and they want to go to the thank you page, but before they go there, it takes them to a page that looks like this. It says, wait, here's a special offer that you love. Now, people can either choose to buy this offer or they can decline. They don't have to buy it. Now, at the end of the page, there are two buttons that people can click on. It says, 1, I want to take advantage of this offer, or 2, I don't want to take advantage of this offer. Now, depending on what they click on, if they click on yes, they want to take advantage of this offer, it adds $97 to their order. And if they say no, it simply takes them to the landing page. So it's as simple as that. So if people click on yes, they want to take advantage of this offer, $97 is deducted from their credit card because they already have the credit card on file, and now $97 is simply deducted from it because they've already purchased something in the past. If they say no, then it takes them to the thank you page. Now, how do you find these things inside of system itself? Now, let's go to edit page here. This is how you set up your order bump and your upsell. Now, for the order bump, let's come to the order form. Here you go to the order form, you click on edit page, and right here, if you go to elements, you're going to see something that says order bump right here. This is the order bump element, and you can simply drag and drop it on your order page. So you set up your order bump, and if you go to the settings for this page, it's going to ask you to set the parameters for this order bump, like how much you want the order bump to go for, what you want to sell in the order bump, and how people are going to get access to that resources. So in the order bump, it says what type of offer is this? Is it a physical product or a digital product? Now we're saying it's a digital product, and you can add your resources. So you click on the plus. It says, what do you want people to get access to once they purchase the order bump? Is it courses? Is it course bundle? Is it tags? Is it community? Now, as you can see here, I've selected tag, because when people opt into this order bump, when they purchase the order bump, it's going to add them to a tag, and through that tag I can initiate another automation, which could be an email automation that gives them access to that product or something else. So it's as simple as that. Now for the upsell, all you have to do is to click on add a step, and you can choose what type of step you want to add. It could be a quiz page, an opt-in page, a pop-up form, an upsell, a downsell, a thank you page, webinar registration, and so on and so forth. So it's easy to set up these things. An upsell is another step in the funnel, while an order bump is just a feature to allow people to buy more stuff on your order page. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, consider subscribing. If you have any questions regarding this, make sure you ask them in the comment section down below. And right now I am reopening my private membership where you can get access to me. We can talk about funnels, help you and guide you in building your funnels, and even share with you some of my funnels that I've built in the past, and have access to a network of people who can help you build your funnels. That link is going to be in the description down below, but you will be getting a lot of value inside of this membership. So go check it out. And if you want to join, if you have any questions about it, shoot me an email and I will be sure to respond. Again, I'm Daniel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care now.